In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear Expedia search history. Let's begin by finding your device's settings. This is where all the magic starts. It's important because the settings act as the control center for your device. Take a moment to locate the settings icon on your home screen or app drawer. It usually looks like a gear or a wrench. Once you have found it, go ahead and open it. Next, within the settings menu, look for the option called App Management. This step is crucial as it allows you to view and control all the apps installed on your device. By accessing App Management, you gain the ability to modify app settings and manage app data. Once you've found App Management, give it a tap. With App Management open, you should now see an option labeled App List. This is where all your installed apps are displayed. It's like a directory of every app residing on your device. Take a moment to scroll through the list. This step is important because it allows you to specifically pinpoint the app you want to manage, in this case, Expedia. Go ahead and tap on App List. Now it's time to look for the Expedia app. As you scroll through the alphabetical list, keep an eye out for the familiar Expedia logo. Finding the right app is key because this is where we'll clear your search history. Once you locate Expedia, tap on it to access its settings. Once you're inside the app settings for Expedia, look for an option labeled Storage and Cache. This is where your app's data is managed. Tapping on Storage and Cache gives you access to clear data that the app has stored over time. This step helps maintain your device's performance by freeing up space. Go ahead and tap on Storage and Cache. At this point, you will be presented with two options, Clear Cache and Clear Data. It's important to understand the difference here. Clearing the cache removes temporary files that the app uses to operate more efficiently, while clearing data will reset the app to its default state. For our purpose, we need to tap both Clear Cache and Clear Data. This action will completely erase your recent unbooked search history in Expedia. You might be wondering why this matters. Well, clearing this data can help protect your privacy and ensure that your search history is not accessible if your device is shared or lost. With that ready, you have now successfully cleared your Expedia search history. You should see a confirmation or a reduction in storage used, indicating that the data has been cleared. This simple action can make a big difference in keeping your travel plans private and your app running smoothly. Remember, regularly clearing your app data can be a good habit. It not only helps maintain your privacy, but also can improve the performance of your device. Now you can go back to using Expedia with a clean slate whenever you need to plan your next adventure. Thank you for joining me today to learn this useful skill. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Feel free to revisit these steps anytime you wish to clear your search history again. Until next time, happy travels and take care.